Today we discuss one important topics related to greatest common divisor. Okay, we find greatest common divisor. We've considered the domain here z I root 5. Okay, so we know about that all elements are belonging this domain a plus I b root 5. Okay, in this way where a b belongs to z. Okay, so we also discuss this one. The units are 1 and minus 1. Okay, and let this one a plus I b root 5 equal to GCD of something 2 or 1 plus I root 5. That means we find GCD of 2 1 plus I root 5. Okay, we find this one now. So here we 2 equal to a plus I b root 5 multiplied by c plus I d root 5, where a b c d belongs to z, and for some c plus I d root 5 belongs to z I root 5. Okay, then also that means evolute norm, and here a square plus 5b square, this norm square. Okay, and here also c square plus 5d square, and then this one equal to 4. Okay, then we also going to discussion, that means this one equal to 2, this one equal to 2, then CD does not exist for integer solution. Okay, that means CD are integer, this one is not possible. Then we also find another way, this one equal to 4, this one equal to, then a equal to plus minus 2, b equal to 0, and a equal to plus minus 1, b equal to 0, or in this way c equal to plus minus 1, d equal to 0, and here c equal to plus minus 2 and d equal to 0. Okay, so what we obtain this one, that means GCD of this equal to what, either 1 or 2. Okay, 1 or 2, that means c, we find this one c and d, and here we obtain c equal to 1 plus d equal to 0, and another option we also get this one c equal to plus minus 2 and d equal to 0. Okay, so for this option this one, and this option this one, so we obtain what, GCD of 2 1 plus I root 5 equal to 1 or 2. So we now discuss now here, that means this one 1 or 2. Okay, so if this one equal to 2, then what happen, we see that. Okay, that means if this GCD of 2 1 plus I root 5 equal to 2, then what happen, then this one, that means 2 divided 1 plus I root 5. Okay, then what happened here, then here 1 plus I root 5 equal to 2 multiplied by pi q root 5. Okay, that means 2p equal to 1, and here 2q equal to 1. That means pq can't exist, p equal to half and q equal to half. This implies that p does not belong to z and q does not belong to z. That means integer solution is not happen for this case. So what remains are left, we know about that, this one GCD of 2, here 1 plus I root 5 equal to 1. Okay, that means we want to obtain this GCD of 2 and 1 plus I root 5, and we also get this one. We know about that GCD means greatest common divisor, and that means all common divisor of these two element, and we find greatest one, and here we obtain this one 1. Okay, so now we discuss another problem related to that topic, which is whole bore thing. Okay, then we're going to discuss on another option. So now we also see that this GCD of 6 multiplied by 1 minus I root 5, and here 3 multiplied by 1 plus I root 5 and 1 minus I root 5, okay, does not exist. Does not exist. So that means how we obtain now. We also see that 6 1 minus I root 5. Okay, this one obviously this one divided by 3 1 minus I root 5. Okay, and here again 3 1 minus I root 5 also divided this one 3 1 plus I root 5 multiplied by 1 minus I root 5. Not a problem at all. So we talk about that this one equal to what? That means we find GCD of 6 multiplied by 1 minus I root 5, and here 3 1 plus I root 5 multiplied by 1 minus I root 5 equal to what? Equal to here 3 1 minus I root 5 and remaining GCD of here 2 and here 1 plus I root 5. Okay, and we also obtained this one in previous. We also known about that this one equal to 1, so this one remaining 3 multiplied by 1 minus I root 5. So we use this one from previous problem. Okay, we get this one from previous solution. So we have also obtained this one now. GCD of this one equal to this. So what we call about that means this one are not exist. So again we here that means known this 6 equal to, okay, 6 equal to what? 6 equal to that means 6 1 plus I root 5 multiplied by 1 minus I root 5. Okay, this one equal to 6. That means 1 square minus I square 5I square. Okay, that means 1 plus 5 equal to 6. Then what happened here? That means we put 6 equal to this one. Okay, then 6 is a common divisor of that. Okay, that means 6 also divided this one and 6 also divided this one, that means this two. Okay, that means we write here 6 divided 6 multiplied 1 plus I root 5, and 6 also divided 3 1 plus I root 5 multiplied 1 minus I root 5. Okay, then what happened here? That means 6 are common divisor. Okay, 6 also common divisor. 6 common divisor, and here we obtain GCD of this two equal to this one. That means what happened? 6 divided this one. Yes or no? This one are greatest common divisor and this one also common divisor. So 6 obviously divided this one. So this implies 2 divided 1 minus I root 5. Okay. Then this one implies what? This one implies 1 minus I root 5 equal to 2 multiplied a plus ib root 5, where ab belongs to z. Okay. Then what happened here? Here AB belongs to Z. Then what happened? This implies that 2A equal to 1 and B equal to minus 1. Okay. That means A equal to half and B equal to minus 1. That means B satisfied. B belongs to Z, but A does not belong to Z. Sorry, here 2B. 2b equal to minus 1. That means b also not satisfied. B equal to minus half. Okay. So ab belongs to z. Not possible. So here we talk about that. That means 6 also common divisor, and we obtain this way GCD equal to this. That means this one are not a GCD. Okay. So we also write here that GCD does not exist. This one. Okay. Just conclusion, we write GCD of this and this does not exist in Z I root 5. Okay. This domain GCD are not exist. So we, that means obtain in this way, this GCD are not correct. Okay. That means this one GCD, that means any common divisor is divisible, that GCD is not possible. Okay. So today I'll stop here. If you get this type of video, please subscribe my channel, follow my channel, see this video regularly, click on like options. Thank you.